Hi, I am Rana Bilal from websitesmasters.com. In our third lecture, we will talk about that how we can simplify our design because less is more. So let's start now. In our first step, we will choose two color combinations to simplify our design. And in next step, we will delete all the extra stars to simplify our design. In our third step, we will use symbol to replace the text. In our fourth step, we will use same font to convey our message properly. And in our fifth and final step, we will move forward our text headlines because it's not visible properly. In our first step, we change the color of the hamburger, so there is only two colors used for the icons. So we will select the hamburger and we will change the color and we will choose this one. Limit your colors to enhance the clarity of your design, just like this. Now it's looking good. In our next step, we have to delete all the extra stars and have to simplify this design. So we will select stars one by one and we will delete. Now it's looking good. It's simple. In our third step, we have to delete the dark text and replace it with the icon. So we will select the dark text and we will delete, and we will use this icon to convey our message. It's simple and it's looking good and it's attractive as compared to text. In our fourth step, we will change the text to use just two fonts and avoid using too many fonts and type styles to keep your designs simple. So we will select this one. We will choose this font, and here is also the same one. Now it's clear and looking good. In our fifth step, we can see that our headlines are not clear, so we have to move the painted lines behind the text. So we will select and we will go to the arrange and we will select back, and now our painted lines are behind the text and our text is visible and looking good. And we will change this one also. We will go arrange and we will choose back. For more videos, subscribe our channel and visit our website. Thank you so much for watching this video.